What's the meaning of age of consent? Age of consent. 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 The age of consent refers to the minimum age at which a person is considered legally competent to consent to sexual activity. This varies by jurisdiction and can range from ages as low as 12 to as high as 18. In general, the law seeks to protect minors from sexual exploitation or abuse. The age of consent is an important legal and ethical concept that aims to balance individual freedom with societal protection, but it is also subject to cultural, religious, and moral norms that may influence its interpretation and enforcement.